Welcome to the Tetrion Easy-On Interior Filler how-to video, where we'll show you how it can be used to make plaster filling and jointing jobs as simple as possible. Tetrion Easy-On is a high-quality, high-performance interior filler that can help you to achieve a fine, easily sanded surface without the need for a separate finishing filler. Prime the surface using Tetrion Primer Bonder and allow to dry for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, mix 2.5 parts filler to 1 part clean water. Apply the filler slightly proud of the surrounding area, which can then be sanded down to your desired level. Allow 24 hours for the filler to dry completely. Once dry, simply sand and paint. Easy-On features air drying and chemical setting characteristics, allowing for deep fill applications. A chemical process causes the filler that is not exposed to air to also cure at a rapid pace, which means you can fill far deeper gaps than a traditional filler would allow. Now let's show you how to use Easy-On to fill a hole or crack at the edge of a door frame. Prepare the area using sandpaper to even down the surface. Apply Tetrion Primer Bonder to stabilize the surface before applying the filler. The filler sets in 2 hours, but leave the area to cure overnight. You can then sand and paint as required. Now let's show you how to use Easy-On Interior Filler to fix a wooden joint. Simply apply the filler and leave to cure overnight before sanding down. The area can then be easily painted for a smooth end finish. Easy-On can also be used on various other repairs, such as concrete drill holes, plaster jointing, settlement cracks, and various other multi-surface repairs.
Tetrion, fill, stick, bond.